मैं डॉक्टर गुलाब खलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज आप लोगों को हम डिटर्मिनेंट के बारे में बताएंगे। अर्थात डिटर्मिनेंट क्या है, टू ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट और थ्री ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, साथ ही साथ माइनर और कोफैक्टर के बारे में भी आप लोगों को बताएंगे। तो सबसे पहले डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। To each square matrix there corresponded a determinant, and this determinant is written by enclosing the element of the matrix by vertical bars. This is the vertical bars. Thus, the third order determinant of the matrix, this is the matrix in matrix form, A equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3, denoted by determinant A written as in vertical bar A equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. And the value of determinant can be expressed as a single number. Its value एक सिंगल नंबर में इसको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। एंड द सेकेंड ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट इज रिटन A1 B1 A2 B2 here equal to A1 into B1 crossing here minus A2 into B2 B1. The third order determinant may be written as A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3 equal to A1 here. Now omit here this one B2 C2 B3 C3. Similarly minus B1 A2 C2 A3 C3 plus C1 A2 B2 A3 B3, and after solving this one A1 again B2 into C2 minus B3 into C2 minus B1 A2 into C3 minus A3 into C2 plus C1 A2 into B3 minus A3 into B2. Now a matrix is an arrangement of numbers and it has no fixed value, while each determinant has a fixed value. A determinant having n rows and n columns is known as a determinant of order n, and the determinant of non-square matrices are not defined in algebra. नहीं होता है. For example, evaluate here. These are the determinant of two orders 6 minus 3 7 minus 2. Solving this is 6 into 2 minus 7 into minus 3. After solving this, here we get the value of determinant of two order 9. Third order determinant, expanding the given determinant by first row, we get here 3 into 2 minus 3 1 7 minus 4 into minus 6 minus 3 8 7 plus 5 into minus 6 2 8 1. After solving we get the value of determinant is 30. Now minors and cofactor of the elements of a determinant. Let us consider a determinant of third order given by delta almost equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 almost equal to cofactor a1 a11 b1 b12 c1 a30 a2 a21 b2 a22 c2 a23. Similarly, A3, A31, B3, A32, C3, A33. The minor of any element in delta is a determinant of a second order, obtaining by omitting here, we omit here from delta the row and the column in which that elements occur. Omit kar. Thus minus a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 etc. are respectively in this form here b2 c2 b3 c3 a2 c2 a3 c3 and so on. Minus of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3 are denoted by m11 m12 m13. Similarly for a2 b2 c2 m21 22 23, for a3 b3 c3 m31 m32 m33 respectively. Now, the cofactors of any element in delta is the minor of that element in delta with proper sign depending on the number of rows and the columns in which the element occurs. If an element occurs in the ith row and jth column in delta, then the cofactor of the element equal to minus 1 power I plus j into minor of the element. Thus cofactor of a1 b1 c1 a2 etc. in delta are respectively this one minus 1 1 plus 1 b2 c2 b3 c3 minus 1 again 1 plus 2 this one minus 1 1 plus 3 minus 1 2 plus 1 this one equal to in this form plus minus plus minus. Now we shall denote the cofactors of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3 in delta by using capital letter a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 respectively, or also may be written in c11 12 30 c21 22 23 c31 32 33. Thus in capital letter a1 equal to b2 c2 b3 c3 b1 equal to minus here c1 equal to plus a2 b2 a3 b3. Thus we have delta equal to a1 b2 c2 b3 c1 minus b1 plus c1, or written as a1 into capital A1 plus b1 into capital B1 plus c1 into capital C1 in this form. From these results, it follows that we can find the value of the determinant delta by expanding it along any row or column. Now for quick working, the sign of the different cofactors according to the position of the corresponding element in determinant are given by plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. This is the quick working for finding the sign. Now take for example here, write the cofactors of the elements of the second row of the following determinant and hence evaluate them. 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 3, 6, 2, minus 7, 9. Let delta equal to this one, and C21, C22, C23 be the cofactor of the element of the second row. Then C21 cofactor of minus 4 equal to minus 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, minus 7, 9. After solving, we get the value of this one is minus 39. C22 cofactor of 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2, 1, 3, 2, 9. We get the value 3. C23 cofactor of 6 minus 1, 2 plus 3, and we get the value of 11. Now in delta minus 4 C21 plus 3 C22 plus 6 C23. Now minus 4 into C21 minus 39 plus C here 3 and C22 3 plus 6 C23 11, and after solving we get the value of determinant is 2, 3, 1. That's all.